In this third and last video of the Custom UI Integration tutorial series, we'll migrate the included HUD blueprint. If you want to integrate the system to an already existing HUD, please follow this guide step by step. Make sure both HUD are open. The included one can be found by searching for main HUD. 1. Copy over all three variables. For better overview, you can place them in a desired category. Two, switch to class settings and add a new interface called BPI HUD Interface CUIS. 3. Copy the function named Notifications Button Workflow. 4. Copy over the whole event graph. 5. Open the interface function CUIS data and apply the variable named Custom UI Interface HUD. At last, you want to make sure your own HUD is applied in the world settings and project settings. When everything is completed correctly, the system is running and you can delete the included main HUD. This concludes the integration tutorial series. Please rate our system on the Unreal Marketplace. Further guides on usage, converting and creating new custom UI widgets and more can be found in our playlist in the description.